Hi, this is Joe Caronna with Castle Express Moving, and I'm giving you a little bit of a walkthrough on how our Golden Star Referral Program works. So, you might receive an email from us, and it's going to say, Welcome to the Golden Star Referral Program. You're going to open that email up, you're going to read it, and then you're going to click on this link right here, which is going to bring you to our website. You go directly to our website, or you could use this link. If you go directly to our website, it's right under the About Us part, and you click down, and then basically you'll just enter in the information. It's going to ask who you are. I'm Joseph Caronna. I own Castle Express Moving. I'm just going to I'll put in my real number if you want to call me. And I have used my company before. That is my address. I didn't mean to document myself, but we'll use our actual address, 94 Niblick Road in Enfield. And then you're going to refer whoever you're referring. For me, it might be my Aunt Mary, and her last name's Corona. And then, I'm just going to put in the email, who I'm referring. And then I'm going to also put in their phone number. Here, I'm just going to use a fake phone number. And I consent to all these things, basically just saying that we're not going to send you anything, we're not going to spam your mail, we're not going to use your mail for anything. So basically, once their move is complete, or once you fill this out, we're going to ring them on the phone, we're going to email them, and we're going to try to help them out with their move. We're going to get them an estimate, we're going to walk them through the moving process, we're going to set them up on a moving reservation, we're going to complete their move. And when we finish completing their move, as soon as that's done, we're going to send you an email, and we're going to let you know that their move was completed, and we're going to let you know exactly how much your referral check is for. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Again, my name is Joseph Caronna. I own Castle Express Moving. You can reach out to me at 860-265-8614 or by email, joe@castleexpressmoving.com. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Have a nice day.